Hey crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John and I appreciate you dropping in to listen to me talk about what is in Jenny's Countdown to Christmas 2025 box, and we are on day 11. So let's not rattle on and just keep going. Let's open up a much smaller envelope than we've received for the most part and see what little secret gift we have for day 11. I will say I really do like the snowflakes that they used this year for their numbering and that. Some of them have really been great and just peeled off so perfect that I could almost reuse them, and others not so much, like today, and that's okay. I probably wouldn't reuse them, but it's kind of nice. So a double folded bag. So let's get down in and see what is in my bag today. Oh, so today's bag is premium woven labels. So these are 9 assorted labels, are perfect to add an extra touch of personalization to your sewing projects. These are called Minky Kim labels, and they're by sewingillustration.com. So kind of interesting. It's one of the first thing. It's not really kind of private labeled from Missouri Star Quilt, but again, kind of neat, right? So this one says made by, and so they've got a little gold scissors in that, or needle, I guess, on that side, and black on that side. So you can put your name on there. Some other cool things to go with it is a pair of scissors, rotary cutter. My mind just completely went blank there for a second. Thread, and oh, this is a more like a cross stitch, right? In hoop, and just some pretty flowers. And this one says, little by little, a little becomes a lot. I think that's pretty cute. So these are really different. They're not anything like I have used in the past. I think we did get some in a box last year, but I don't know that it was Missouri Star that gave them to me. Uh-oh, dropped one. All right, and let's see if John can find this last one. And it says, beautiful things come together one stitch at a time. And I really do like that saying. So, will I use them? I don't know. I do like I do have Guys Craft 2 labels that I try to sew in to a lot of the things that we sell and that we're doing. Definitely for the gifts and that I gift to my kids and that I try to make sure I get those in there. And I'll be honest, I forget half the time. So I just have yet to kind of get in that routine. So we'll see. It's more a matter of, did I think about it? Did I remember to do it? Than it is anything else. But I think this is a cool gift. It's nice to be able to add that extra personalization to a handmade gift, right? So, with that said, that's my thoughts on day 11. I appreciate you dropping in. I appreciate you being here for just a few minutes. And as always, guys, until next time, happy crafting.